Hi guys, hey! I'm currently moving house and I thought I would bring you guys in the whole moving process, the decorating process, like everything. I thought it'd be fun to vlog it. A few of you guys said that you would enjoy it, so that's what we do. It's actually 3 in the morning, is it? Yeah, it's 2:56, it's basically 3. I am packing. I literally was working, so I've literally just got back like, I don't know, like half an hour ago. I'm packing because I'm moving in the morning. I get the keys for my new property in the morning. I want to move. I'm moving though to a completely different area, so I am quite scared because I don't really know anyone in the area. It's really far away. It's a totally different vibe in the area. But yeah, I'm very excited. This is like my motivation to just keep on packing and get to this house as soon as possible, because there is like a 1 month overlap between the two. So I could stay here for the last month, or I could just get moving, but I do want to just get moving. I'm just talking loads now. But anyway, this is my motivation, and my whole colour scheme is just going to be greys and silvers and whites and glass. Do you like my chandelier from my bedroom? Yes, I bought stuff already to decorate and I haven't moved in. But hey, what can I say? I'm organised. I'll show you how organised I actually am. That is my sketch of my new apartment with where I'm fitting in my furniture. I actually went and bought a mirror. Can you see it, this mirror? I went and bought the mirror today for the living room. It's like one of those like wall leaning tall fancy mirrors to go with the room. Yeah, I've still got quite a bit of furniture to get. I need to get myself a new bed. I want to get myself a console table for the hallway, because the hallway is quite big. There's a lot of stuff to do, there's a lot of packing to do. But I'm actually going to go to bed now because I'm actually really tired. But yes, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Can I just say actually guys, I don't know yet, right? I have been packing, right, for absolutely ages. Please ignore the fact there's like rubbish all over the floor. This is just going to happen with packing. But can you guys see? There is a lot. Well, I think this is quite a bit of stuff packed, okay guys? But it doesn't look like I've packed anything in the house. Everything still looks exactly where it was, and like it doesn't look like anything's been packed. And like, I've packed all of my makeup, I've packed everything. It's like, look at all this crap on the table. I've got so much rubbish and just junk to sort through that were like, just like leftover junk, you know, moving house junk. Oh, yeah, wish me luck. And so I'll probably catch you later on this morning, because it is already 3 o'clock, when I've got the keys. I'll give you like an empty room house tour. Yes, beach. Yes, I'll catch you later. I've just finished cleaning. You see the floors are still wet. Oh my gosh, there was so much to clean. All the inside of the cupboards, inside of the fridge, you know, the whole moving palaver, because this isn't near to my area at all. So it takes us like an hour and a half to get there and back, so it's just really long. I just want to move in. My car insurance is going to be cheaper because we have an indoor car park.
Hi guys! make sure you check out my channel and hers, even though you're watching hers. Basically my mum has a YouTube channel, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, but you know, your mum might actually want to see it if she likes makeup, and like, you might not know what makeup is, but she might like it because my mum does excellent makeup and nails. So you can ask your mum if you want to check her out.
So where are we, Jessie?
We are in a new
flat. Are you going to take us on a tour then? So what room are you in now?
This is the living room. It's humongous.
It looks so small on the camera.
And then this, just over here, is the bathroom. I'm still sorting it out because of just...
It's a bathroom?
No.
It doesn't look like a bathroom to me.
It's a kitchen.
And then we have the hallway.
Then we have the hallway. And then
when we have Jessie's room.
Then we have my room.
And then we have my room and a bathroom. What's the light for that? That one's got a shower.
And
then my dad's in the other bathroom. It's just storage, Jess. And we've got quite a long corridor, so I definitely need to get a console table put there.
And then you can...
But yes, this is the place, completely empty. I've got so many plans, but I'm going to take you guys through with all of my plans and all of the DIYs that we're going to do. So yes, I'm excited for this new chapter. I will catch up with you guys later. I need to measure up the rooms and clean. So we'll catch you in a bit. So bye. Can you guys hear this? This is gonna accompany us on our whole journey. How does that make you feel? Excited?
I look like shit.
None of us have slept. We're all dying. Can you see my mum? That's my mum as well. I'm very tired. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm not even showing my face. You can just look at my lips, my dry lips.
You showed mine.
I've just literally brought all of the stuff in. And there is so much stuff to sort out. It is unreal. Oh my gosh. I don't know where I'm even gonna start. There's so much furniture. Alright, let me sort out the arrangement of this room. I can at least do something, okay? Oh, but look. Look. Ta-da! Hey, beach, beach, beach. I am so tired. Do you like my hair? I'm so fed up with life right now. It's fine. We'll survive. We'll get through it. Because I have a really nice mirror now. So everything's better. You're actually surprised at my strength. No. Shouldn't be surprised. No. Should know I'm freaking Wonder Woman. Oh, no. You're enjoying that. So, I managed to move the furniture around a bit. You're not really going to notice much of a difference here. But when we go into the living room, ta-da! I have a couch set up and I have a TV stand. And I have my chandelier on one. And I've also got my table set out. This is going to be like my filming corner. And I'm going to have to take my like Instagram pictures and stuff like that with this mirror. And that's going to be my corner. I'm going to sit in that corner there with all that lighting. It's going to be freaking perfect, and I have all this space. It's nice. I'm going to be able to actually have a filming setup and be able to leave it there. Did you just throw the chicken bone on the floor? You threw it. I have the footage of you purposely throwing it on the floor. No, you went. Oh my gosh, she has makeup on. What does this mean? Hi guys. So, as you can hear, I'm in a very great mood. I thought I'd show you the update. I'm not finished unpacking at all, but I just wanted to decorate before I could even unpack. I know that's not the normal way around people do things, but I had this really stuck in my brain as an idea that I wanted to do, and as soon as I got here, I just wanted to get into it, and I did. But we're nearly finished unpacking the living room, which is great. It's still very echoey in here and I'm not quite sure what to do. There's already 2 rugs in this room. I might have to add another rug because as you can hear, it sounds like I'm in an empty flat and I'm not. It's just because it's very big. But yeah, it's very bright. I apologise for that. I've just noticed that. Is that? No. Yeah, you can see me. Okay. So, I'm going to show you my, let me just show you what I'm talking about now. Come on. This is the update so far. I decided to put the 2 tables there. I attached legs to my TV stand, all by myself must I say, and I had to drill holes for it. And I think I'm going to put legs on these 2 as well. I need to get one to go in the middle, because I don't know if you guys can see, it's like dipping in the middle, because those legs aren't supposed to be there. This is just something that I have done myself, but it's not actually part of the furniture, if that makes sense. So I think I need to get legs for the middle as well. Yes, I went to IKEA yesterday, so I got this chair which I really like. Oh my gosh guys, sorry I'm yawning so much. I got this chair which I really like. I'll link it down below because I reckon a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh my god, I want that chair, because that's what I was like when I saw the chair. So I'll link it down below, and I've got, this is going to be my little corner. This is literally the only thing that's properly set up is my mirror. But everything else, I don't know where to put this drawer. I feel like it's awkward there. And I've still got, because I've got that drawer, these 2 drawers, and then this table, that table, this drawer, which is a long one, that drawer, that that one, that cupboard, oh my gosh, that drawer, and that wardrobe, and that. So, yeah. So this is where I currently am. Missing a piece of furniture, a bit of plank, not even a piece of furniture, a plank, the last bit to put this bit thing together. I still need to put the bed. Let me move it back so you can just appreciate all the planks that are in this room right now. That's the bed and this. But I have more planks for you. We are just planked up in here. I think this is all the wardrobe. I did organise it so that it wouldn't get mixed up, but I've somehow managed to mix it up. I don't know if I mixed it up or I'm just missing a part, but that's meant to be the wardrobe. What I've put up is the toy chest thing, and then I've got his bed to put up. But yes, I'm going to try and put up his bed by myself today, and then see. We'll see if I can. I managed to last time, but I nearly killed myself because it's like a bunk bed. But yes, let's see if I can do it again, because this is going to be so much fun, guys. I am so excited. I literally went for a walk today to explore the area because, like, I haven't even, like, this is the thing, this area isn't even an area I've ever been to before. Like, most areas in London I know, but this side of London I do not know at all. Like I said earlier, like, the people were extra friendly. I've adjusted to it now, but I don't mind it because I'm actually a very friendly person, so it does suit me. It just took me off guard at first, but now I'm just like, yeah, hi everyone, yes, everyone's having a great day, great, good. Yeah, I went on Deliveroo last night just to have a look, right, just to see what comes here, and oh my gosh, everything, like, every restaurant that is around me delivers to me, and like, there's so many restaurants around me because I'm in central London. It's crazy, and it's so bad because, like, I don't know, I don't like takeaway food, like chicken and chips, fish and chips, Chinese, like just takeaway food, you know, burgers and stuff. I don't really like it. I like to have meals. So if I eat, I like to eat meals. Does that make sense? Like lasagna or pasta or like chicken and rice, but not like the fast food chicken and rice. Like, bro, do you know what I mean? I like restaurant food, not takeaway, fast food. I just don't, yeah, that's it. I don't like fast food, okay? Oh my God. I just did a very long-winded explanation for that. But yeah, but Deliveroo does, like, it's all restaurant food, it's not fast food, and this is really bad. Like, so yesterday night I ordered, where did I even order from? I ordered from a bagel shop and I got some a milkshake with it, and then I also ordered from a dessert parlour and got like ice cream and, was it waffles, or I can't remember what I had. I couldn't even finish it. I felt so disgusted in myself that I'd ordered so much. And they weren't the only two places I ordered from, guys. I actually ordered from another place. What did I even order? Because I finished it. I did like it. Five Guys. Five Guys is fast food, yeah, but it's not fast food at the same time. I don't know. I don't know. You guys are going to be like, you don't make sense. But yeah, I don't see Five Guys as fast food because they're expensive, you know. How can you spend £30 on fast food for one person, please? But yeah, so I literally just went to the shopping centre today just to have a look and see what shops are around the shopping centre, how far away it is and stuff like that. And it's actually decent. I went into Poundland and got loads of, like, yeah, I went into Poundland and I got loads of like decorative stuff. That's very good hot chocolate. But yes, I'm going to carry on unpacking today, hang up a few more bits. Well, there's not really much to show of your room at the moment, is there? We have a cactus. 3 cactuses, as I showed you guys earlier. The 3 cactuses, as you can see, his room is still, because I still need to move the bed in and put it up, and his wardrobe, where all his clothes will go in, is still in my old place, and I need to move the wardrobe over, but it doesn't fit in a car, so I need to get a van. I need to hire a van. It's all just glorious and just working out so swell. But yes, I will catch you guys a bit later.